Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into the world of $BDT, the Bored Dragon token. This crypto coin is making waves as a meme coin built on the Solana blockchain, and it's even integrated with a game, offering a unique blend of fun and potential growth. A key factor in its accessibility is its listing on MEXC Global, making it easier for everyone to get involved. Oh, what exactly is $BDT, the Bored Dragon token? Its purpose extends beyond just being a meme. It's designed for community-driven initiatives and plays a significant role in its associated game or metaverse ecosystem. As a meme coin, $BDT thrives on community engagement and the power of internet trends. However, it's crucial to remember that meme coins are inherently speculative, so proceed with caution. One of the biggest advantages of $BDT is that it lives on the Solana blockchain, offering faster transactions and lower fees when compared to Ethereum. This makes it more efficient and affordable for $BDT holders to trade and use the token. ETs talk more about the Solana blockchain. Solana's architecture allows for incredible speed and scalability, enabling it to handle a high volume of transactions. Compared to other blockchains, Solana boasts significantly faster transaction speeds, making it a preferred choice for many projects. One of the key benefits for $BDT trading is Solana's low transaction fees. This makes buying, selling, and using $BDT more accessible. In comparison to Ethereum and other platforms with higher gas fees, Solana offers a cost-effective solution. The Solana ecosystem is experiencing rapid growth with many successful projects already thriving within it, indicating a robust and promising future for the blockchain. Choose MEXC Global to buy $BDT. MEXC Global provides easy access to $BDT, making it simple for interested individuals to acquire the token. Its global reach ensures availability to a wide range of traders around the world. You'll typically find $BDT available in trading pairs like BDT/USDT, which allows you to trade $BDT directly with the stablecoin USDT. These trading pairs offer liquidity and stability for traders. MEXC Global is also known for its security measures and overall reliability, giving you confidence when trading on their platform. Now, let's walk through how to buy $BDT on MEXC Global, step by step. First, you'll need to create an account on MEXC Global. The account creation process is straightforward, and it's important to complete the KYC or Know Your Customer verification to comply with regulations. Next, you'll need to fund your account. You can deposit funds using various methods like crypto transfers or even fiat deposits. To buy $BDT, you'll likely want to deposit SOL, the native token of Solana, into your MEXC account. Once your account is funded, navigate to the trading page and search for the $BDT trading pair, such as BDT/USDT. This will bring you to the trading interface for $BDT. When you're ready to buy, you can place your order. You'll have options like market orders, which execute immediately at the current price, or limit orders, which allow you to set a specific price at which you want to buy. Finally, and very importantly, secure your $BDT by withdrawing it to a secure wallet. Consider using Solana-compatible wallets like Phantom Wallet or Solflare for enhanced security. ETs delve into the role of $BDT within its gaming ecosystem. $BDT is designed to be integrated with its associated game, offering various functionalities. You might find it used for in-game rewards, purchases, or other features that enhance the gaming experience. Looking ahead, there are planned integrations and expansions within the gaming world for $BDT, which could potentially increase its utility and value. Community engagement is key to the development of the game, so make sure to participate in discussions on platforms like Discord and Telegram. Before you jump in, let's discuss risk assessment and due diligence. Remember that meme coins can be highly volatile, so it's important to be aware of the risks involved. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Before investing in $BDT, be sure to conduct thorough research. Review the project's white paper, roadmap, and learn about the team behind it. Lastly, always prioritize security by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication to protect your crypto assets. In conclusion, $BDT presents an interesting opportunity as a Solana-based meme coin with gaming utility. But remember, due diligence and responsible investing are paramount. Explore MEXC Global and learn more about $BDT to make informed decisions. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.